Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson on Adobe Premiere Pro. Now in this lesson we're going to go ahead and take a look at two tools, the hand tool and the type tool. Okay, so what is the hand tool? Hand tool is basically you can use the hand tool to navigate around your timeline. Okay, I'll show that to you in a minute. And the type tool is actually you can add text to your videos, which is very handy. Okay, on video editing, applying text or any type of typography is very important. So let's go to Adobe Premiere Pro and take a look at these two tools. So here in Adobe Premiere Pro, I have these tools right over here. This is the hand tool and this is the type tool. So firstly, let's take a look at the hand tool. If I click on the hand tool, you can see I can navigate around the timeline very easily. Alright, so no matter how long the videos are, so if I just minimize them or maximize them and make them bigger, now I can navigate around the timeline, alright, which is very handy. Okay, so I can go over to any place very easily and I can just slide right just like that. Okay, so which is very handy. Okay, so that was the hand tool. Alright, so you can't use it right over here. You can just use it in the timeline right over here. Okay, now the main one is the type tool. Now the type tool is very important. If I select the type tool right over here, and another thing is that you can select the hand tool by pressing H. Now currently it's the type tool that is selected, so if I press H, you can see that it turns into the hand tool. So that was basically the hand tool. Okay, so now let's go over to the type tool. Now the type tool, if I select type tool, I can't do anything right over here. Like you can see, I can't do anything over here, but I can actually add a type or a text right over here. Now if I click anywhere, like if I click right over here, the type tool would be present right over here. And if I go to the timeline, you can see here there's this option called graphic. Okay, so I can actually go ahead and type anything over here. Now let's bring another one right over here. Okay, so let's type something. Now you can see that it is written perfectly. Now if I want to make this big or small, I can just go ahead and select the selection tool. That way you can see that the whole interface has changed. Okay, now I can actually scale it by moving this. Alright, I can also drag it anywhere I want. Also this one. Okay, any type of text that I wrote, I can actually go ahead and navigate it all around my video. Okay, so that is basically how you can use the type tool. Okay, so you can make this bigger, you can make this smaller as well. You can actually cut it out, and you can just cut this one out as well, just like that. Okay, now if you want it gone permanently, you can just go ahead and select this over here. Just go ahead and select, and you can just right click on it and you'll find this cut option right over here. If I cut it, it will just go back to normal. Okay, so I hope you understood the type tool as well as the hand tool. These were the basic tools of Adobe Premiere Pro which you need. Some of the most important is this razor tool, because you can use it really often. Alright, so you can use it very simply, and the select tool as well. Okay, the hand tool is also handy, and the type tool as well. So these were the basic tools of Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope you understood it, and if you have any problem, you can just go ahead and ask us, no problem. And I will see you in the next lesson.